guys, I'm Aditya from ADUCATORS, and in this video we will install Gradle build tool on your Ubuntu machine. So simply search Gradle on your favorite web browser and you will see the very first link which says gradle.org. So let's click on that and it will take you this sort of page. We will click install Gradle button and here we can see installation. We are going to install Gradle manually, so let's scroll a bit down and yeah, you will see installing manually. For that we have to download the complete Docker sources. So let's click on this complete hyperlink and it will start downloading the zip file. Alright, so zip is downloaded. Let's go back to the previous page and yeah, let me zoom. Cool. So step number 2 is to unpack. So we will go to the terminal. Let's open your terminal and here we will follow these steps. We will create a new directory mkdir in your opt and we will call it Gradle. If you get permission denied like this, use sudo privileges. Enter your sudo password. Cool. Now your directory is created. Use unzip command, or you can simply do a copy. Go to your downloads folder, verify the zip is there. Yes, let's paste the command, hit enter. Probably the file name is different. Let's try once again without giving the file name. Just write initials and hit tab key, hit enter. Yeah, again I'm getting the permission denied error, so use sudo privileges. Alright, so we can see all your download is complete and zip is also complete. Cool. So we can see we have bin, docs and all the other files. The final step is to export your path. So simply copy this command which says export path equals to, this is the path of your Gradle. So let's clear the screen and paste it here. Hit enter and yeah, now we can go and verify the installation. We will simply say Gradle -v, hit enter and yeah, we can see welcome to Gradle 7.5.1. So this is how you can install Gradle manually on your Ubuntu device. Thanks for watching till the end. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. Thank you.